Hello my lovelies, how you all doing? I hope you're keeping well and staying crafty. Right, I'm coming on to show you these lovely papers that I've been printing, stamping on, and just say never give up with things. I mean, I think a lot of you that watch me know that I'm that sort of person anyway, but about a week, 10 days ago, I decided to stamp on some tracing paper. All right, got these lovely stamps from Temu, so I thought, oh, I'm fed up with stamping on paper. I've got a load of tracing paper, I'll stamp on the tracing paper. Well, I should have known better than to do this with pigment ink. It just never entered my head. It was the first one that was in the drawer, stamped it all out. This one took quite a while to stamp out. I did actually they're individual stamps, but I did ink it all up and did it like that, and then I just took the individual ones off to fill it in. That one is just a whole stamp. So I did those, and now 10 days later, and the ink was still not dry. I've used the heat tool on it, it just would not dry. The slightest little touch and the ink was coming off on my fingers. So this morning I thought, oh, I don't know. I mean, I should have used StazOn ink, not a pigment ink. I thought, I don't know, I'm not giving up. I know what I've got, I'll try that. And I've got some of this. I've had it for years, quite a few years. It's Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear Protective Coat. It's about, I think it was about £4 or £5 a tin, but I've had it ages and I have used it a lot. It is very, I can't think of the word, new. It stinks. It's very, what's the word? Anyway, it smells. It does smell, so you need the windows open. But I just gave it one spray and I've just come up to it and look. Nothing. I can't believe it. Well, I can believe it, but I'm so pleased because I thought I'm not throwing it away. But yeah, so just never give up with things. If you think something's gone wrong, just put it to one side and have a think about what you can do to rectify something. There's nearly always something you can do to, you know, to rectify something. So that was all. I was just coming on to show you that. And if you stamp on tracing paper, don't use a pigment ink because it will not dry. It's very wet, isn't it, for embossing powders and such like. So, but I should have known better, but newbies probably wouldn't know. Well, they probably would, but you know, I've been crafting a long time and I should have known not to do that. But anyway, we do these things, don't we? So have a lovely evening, day, morning or afternoon, whatever. Thank you for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.